Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. After the day I got my Toyota, and now I see a lot of Toyota start to breaking down and bring the car for me to help them out with the problems. First of all, they said the car will make some noise, and the noise was from where? Did you know? I checked oil and everything, and then the noise was from the water pumps. Okay, the big deal, no big deal. The water from the water pumps, and then because the water is run out from the broken radiator. So what I have to do today is go to records and try to do some cheap budget. Get a second-hand radiators, put them on, and see if we can fix that noise. Hopefully the noise is because they haven't got water inside the pump, that's why they make noise, but hopefully it not damage the pump. And top engine mouth on the Aurion V6 or 4-cylinder, most Toyota is very bad on the top engine mouth here. Oh, we're broken, so put an eye on it. Okay, so you have to go for second hand of that one and second hand of the radiator. After we put on, we will go for full service engine. Yeah, that's all, and hopefully the noise go away. Now we go to records and pick up the parts for the car. Check up to the records and grab a second hand one of the radiator and the engine mouth with a good budget for them, and we save them some money. We got the second hand engine mouth, and still looking good, and the radiator. So okay, put it down here, and we're going to using some air. We do some washing and make sure test the see any leak or crack, so we don't trust the second hand one, but hopefully it will last me for a few more years before we go die. Okay, but hopefully good. Okay, bring them inside. Oh, it's heavy. Oh man, don't hurt my car, don't hurt my Hemi, mate. Okay, put it here. The radiator, first of all, take up this plastic. So we replace the radiator today, and we will service the car tomorrow. So with an easy way for you to do is take up this one, number 10, take up this one for sure, and you will see a lot of room. Okay, this one out here, and tomorrow we wait for the supplies open up. Yeah, it's cracked and broken everywhere. Look, big crack. Hopefully the water pump still alright, but they complain about the noise, and they're driving the car with no water. Hopefully the water pump is not playing up, so don't have to replace it. Otherwise it's a big job in here. I really hate to replace this one. There's no room at all for me in there. Little one, you really need the spanner like this, and you can take it up in there, just this top one. Okay, and then undo the flaps from the horns, lift the horn in there, and that one, and 2 horns, and then we can lift this one and throw it outside, and we can have the hand to enter in behind the condenser here and the radiator. You can lift the bolt outside. Shit. Okay, all down. We do is take this one up. See, this one come up. Okay, now we can see the whole wall. See the radiator very badly. See, all cracked out and broken. No doubt about it. Okay, I will correct. See, this original clip is very hard to get out, so using this one, and make sure they go in the hole. Go there. Done. See the lock holding there, and lock itself there. So we do twist and turn all the way to the back. Okay, and then remove the fan. Oh shit. Put it there. Out you go. And the fan, electric fan, come out. here, here. Press and pull. I don't know when I press and pull this one. Ah, shit. Ah, yes. Pull. Okay, now we tilt this one around. Go into that. Then click out here. Now if you want to, you can take this fan up first. Get this one. Come up in there. Pop up in there. And pop it in there. Now you can bring the whole fan out if you wish. Okay. If you wish. They got something stuck there. The rubber fan holder. Fuck me. Fan come out. Now we remove the bottom oil hose and the bottom hose, and you can get them out in no time. Take this one up, and don't want to damage the thing, so we separate them out like that. See, separate them out like that. Okay. And is there any bottom one? I don't know. Have a look. Oh yes, there's one more here and one more there. Okay, good luck for the condenser right there. So two more. One more down here. You really need these tools, and it's a very handy tools down here, and you can take out. Okay, any aurions, so all aurion the same. Right there. See, you come up a little bit there in the corner, pull back like that. Later we put it back in. Okay, now we take off the hoses and we can pull the whole lot out. This one you can get it off easy, but that one a little bit hard because you have to go underneath. But if it's too hot, we go on the top here. We undo from here, we take it off from here. After we lose some more out, we got this one out, and we're gonna lift up the whole lot, just like that. The whole jack out, and the bottom hose there, and that one there. And, okay, here we are finished. What we do is get a new one and install them on. Okay, put the new one on. The new one on just fit right there. And shit, oh man, even the new one got a bumper here. Shit, I didn't know. Ah, the new one had a bumper. Oh shit, man, I forgot. So I forgot to take that one out. Okay, make sure it's out in the position. The flag is going down to location. Yep. Okay, now it's go down. What we do is quickly put this one in first because the oil. I don't want the oil go everywhere, so put this one in first. And this one in first. Okay, that's it. And put it back in. And don't forget condenser bolt in. These are very handy tools. You should need one. Okay, bolt them on so they stop the rattling and not damage out your radiator. Okay, done. We put the hose in. So this one don't need it. We need the big main hose. Put the main hose on, and then we put the bottom one and top one. So we go in here. Go in here before it goes too difficult. So this one go in. Okay, go in. That one, top one. Oh shit. Really no hand here. Slide it off. Gig it. Ah, shit, this one came up, that's why. Anyway, we put this one down in there, and we'll be right here. Now electric fan on. Go this way. Go in. how it is. And done. So the fan on. Put this one on. Okay, we put this one on. Everything on position. Line. And now we put the cover back on. And this one on. Okay. This one. So we do each other. Click. See, that's how it's go. Okay, we put the top on and put water on and test. Okay, we put some red juice into. Put the tools away. Okay, we got everything under control. Okay, we plug the horns down. Put the horns on, and then we put some brake juice, and then we will start it up. See how it goes before we service the car tomorrow. The service part is easy, same as any other cars. But the main key is the radiator today. We have to fix and we have to deal with the broken radiator. So we replace second-hand radiator, and top one we replace the anti-melt top one broken. And oh shit, man, my paint is broken. So this one go down in here and go down here somewhere. Okay, it go underneath it and slide them on. Okay. All they do is just this one over and some plastic clips. The plastic clip put over. But now we put the water first, okay? And we will service the car tomorrow. First radiator, I put 100% red juice, 1 liter or 1.5 liter, 100% red juice, and the rest is water. And hopefully the noise will go away. And I got this fixed radiator, okay? The old radiator out here for scrap metals. Anyone can come and pick up the free scrap metals. And that his trucks, he just came and pick up the car, go for a test drive. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon Tools. That's how Simon repair and replace the radiator for the Toyota Aurion 2008, 9, 10, all about the same shit. See ya.